Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about OnePlus Android TV 32 inches. Let's get started. Now this is an Android TV 32 inches in size from the brand OnePlus, and it has sleek designs. It also comes with bezel-less design. The build is very nice and strong, and plus it's a lightweight TV. The weight of the product is around 3.5 kgs. Now this TV also comes with a 64-bit processor. That means it has a very fast processor. You also get a user manual and a remote control with this TV, and as you can see, it has a very good display. For any TV, the panel, the display is very important, and here you get HD ready panel, which gives a better picture quality. Now when I talk about HD ready, it has 1366 into 768 resolution. Now the panel again is very nice. You get dynamic range, you get good color range. Here this TV also comes along with Gamma engine. Now with Gamma engine you get a better picture quality, and you get 93% of color gamut. It also comes with 8GB RAM and 8GB storage. That means you will be able to download apps and your games. There is enough space for that. This also comes with built-in Chromecast, and you get dedicated buttons for Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video on the remote control. So accessing Netflix or Prime Video is very easy. Now you can also download apps and your games from Google Play Store, and because it's an Android TV, downloading them and upgrading them is very simple. Now this TV has great audio output. It has 20-watt speakers. That means you get a good experience of Dolby audio with this 32 inches Android TV. This TV also has OnePlus Connect app, which means you get all the integrated content of other apps on one app. So viewing it and using it becomes very simple. Now as far as the ports are concerned, you get ports for different things. The standard ports that you get on every TV, like you get audio video input port, you get HDMI input port, you get USB input port. So everything is very easy to connect. Plus it also has Bluetooth connectivity. That means from your phone directly you can give command. There is also Google Voice Assistant in there. You can give commands from your phone and view everything on your TV. All in all, it also has OxygenPlay, it has Google Play Store, and using the remote control is again very simple. If there's anything that I have missed out, probably you will get to read in the manual that you get, the user manual information. Everything is there, the details, how to use, the buttons, the functions, everything is mentioned in this manual. You can go through this. It's everything about the ports is also mentioned. You get the audio port, video port, USB port, HDMI ports. So everything is mentioned with the pictures in detail. And this is the remote control that you get. Using it is very simple. You have this power button, mute button, navigation button, and you have these dedicated buttons for Netflix, YouTube and Prime Video. Now because it's an Android TV, you would like to download apps and games on this phone, and you get good storage for that. You get 1GB RAM and 8GB storage to download all your games and apps on this TV. All in all, it's a great looking TV. It has a good build, bezel-less design, 64-bit processor. It comes with Gamma engine, OxygenPlay, and you get a good audio also. 20-watt Dolby audio is there. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.